is Roshni from Bangalore. So today we have a lot of casual wear, little bit cottons only, because most of the time in the summer people want cotton only. And as I mentioned, please shop from website. So it is very convenient for you. And we don't have return and exchange policy. So please follow it and just check your size from the website. We have a video in which we have showed how to check your sizes. So it will be very easy for you. So here we are with the casual wear collection. This is a all-time one. It's like a pure cotton, but this is like a flex cotton. So it is very convenient for daily use. So we have launched other prints also earlier. So this is little A-line and the price for this is $7.95 and the sizes are 38 to 46. So this is 38 to 46 and the price is $7.95, only kurta with the straight cuts. And these are very beautiful. It's pure summer wise and little improvisation we have done. It's like little embroidery here. This is a gota embroidery in the front and this has a cotton mask again. So in this we have beautiful colors. The sizes for this is 38 to 46 and the price is $7.95. So these are the colors. These are pure summer wise color. This is a pink one and this is a sea blue. So all the colors are very pretty with the mask. So you can pair it up with the cotton straight pants, off-white or white, anything on that. So this is a plus size one. So this we have 46 onwards, 46 to 50 and the price for this is $8.50. So this is the two colors in this. So this is a Pintex kind of. So in the front also it's like a weaving. So these two colors we have $8.50, 46 to 50 size. This is a very smart. A lot of people are asking me for the chicken curry. So this is a full set. Again we have launched with the chicken curry. So this is a straight pants and this is a kurta. So it has a small glitters tara also. So it is a little fancy, not for casual wear. So this is kind of attachments in this. So this is a very lean fit. So if you have little tummy and all, make sure you order an X size on that. Otherwise this is a perfect fit. So this is 38 to 46 and the price is $20.95. So this is a full set chicken curry with the pant itself. This is again a very light shade, but this is a very pretty one because this has a sequins all over in the front and the back both. And this has a bottom also, but this is a cotton one and this is a flared bottom. So this we are having 38 to 44 and the price is $24.50. So this is how exactly it looks and the back side also full embroidery. So this is a thread embroidery with the tara itself. These are office wear. These are very elegant one. So as you see, this is in cotton flex only. So this has a little detailing here with a small pearls work and this is embroidery in the hands and this has a very smart bottom also. So this is a weaving one only, cotton, and again this has a cute mask over here. And this is 1350 and the sizes are 38 to 46. So two colors are there, both are darker colors. So this is a maroonish kind of and this is a green, bottle green kind of. So two colors in this, 1350, 38 to 46. This is an all-time favorite. So we have been launching it from long. So this is a palazzo for this. This entire kurta has embroidery and this is the plastic mirror. This is not the real mirror. And the price for this is $18.95 and the size are 38 to 44. So the sizes are 38 to 44 with the palazzo full sets. You can wear day or night anytime this one. These are the new shade one. So this is a very smart shade. It has a little glitter work on that. As you see, the pant is also with the glitter work. So this is a very nice pant with a kurta and the price is $12.95, 38 to 44. And it has the two colors, so grey with the white bottom and the pista green with the white bottom. So $12.95, 38 to 44 is the size. This is in the sharara. The sharara is very beautiful in this. It has a full work and this is a kurta. So kurta is also with the work. These are all slub cotton what we have used. This is 1650 and the price and the size are 38 to 44. So this is a full set, 38 to 44, 1650. This is, people have asked a lot of times, so we launched it again. This is in cotton one. This is little A-line, so it doesn't have sleeve and it has a nice bottom also. So this has a straight cut bottom. So it's a printed one, same printed straight cut bottom with the cotton dupatta. So this is a full suit and the price is $12.95. The sizes are 38 to 44. So pure cotton without lining, 38 to 44. This is my favorite. I liked it personally very much. I'm a indigo blue. It's my favorite. So this is a cotton flare dupatta. In fact, in the dupatta also we have this kind of gota work, and this is a kurta. So in the cotton kurta also we have a gota work, and the palazzos are very smart. You can pair it with lot of kurtis. This is a cut work palazzo. So this is a full suit, and the price for this is 1495, and the sizes are 38 to 44. These are different colors, pure cotton, cotton dupatta, cotton sets, printed one. So this has a bottom, front is little embroidery, not too much. So this is a bottom for this. This is a normal palazzo, not too flare also. And this is 1350, and the size are 40 to 46. So we have one more shades in this. This is a pink shade. So this is the two colors we have, a green one and the pinker one. And the price is 1350, 40 to 46. This is also very pretty. This is in bandage, but this has a real work, embroidery, and the real mirror. So this is not a plastic mirror. So this is a cotton dupatta for this. Again, it has a cute mask over here, and this is a kurta for this, and this is a printed straight pants. So the pant has a very nice print with the dupatta. So the full sets is 1550, and the size is 38 to 44. This color is very pretty. This has a little lining over here. So this is little glossy one, and this has a cotton dupatta. So this is a flare cotton dupatta, and this has a bottom also. So the bottom also will look like same only. So this is a bottom for this, and this is a little palazzo kind of. So this is 1750, 38 to 44, and the front also you can see there's a little work over here. So this is 38 to 44, 1750. This is for pujas and all, even for the Friday. A lot of people ask for Thursday outfit, yellow. So this is a pure yellow one with a dupatta. So this is a printed dupatta for this, and it has a printed bottom also. So, and the price for this is 1350, 38 to 44. So this is a very sober color, 2050 the price is, and 38 to 44 again. So this has a full work. Even in the bottom also it looked like a sharara, but it's a full flared one. So this is with the work, and this is a cotton dupatta for this. So this we have 38 to 44, and the price is 2050 for this. This is the one which I am wearing. This is a cotton only, but this is a chikankari work. So this is a very elegant one. You will like the dupatta. So this is a little glossy dupatta, but it's a very soft fabric. So the colors are very beautiful in this. So the shade will come like this, lighter to darker, and it has a bottom. So this is a straight pants kind of, and with the dupatta. So the price is 1750, and the size for this is start with small size. So this is 38 to 44, and 36 to 44, and the colors are very beautiful in this. So as you see, this is a black one with a light grey combination, and this is a bottle green one which I am wearing. So these colors are also very in. So all the three shades are available in website, so you can shop easily. This is 1750, 36 to 44. So you guys can shop from website directly. Kindly follow my Facebook page. In fact, my franchises are there, so you can collect directly from there also. It is in Delhi, which is already open, and in Bangalore, Libas, and lot more are coming up. So hope you guys will enjoy our show. Thank you so much.